In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and customize the work type hierarchy in Jira on the benzluisarlos.atlassian.net domain. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, offering helpful tips along the way to enhance your understanding. To kick things off, you need to navigate to your Jira dashboard. It's your command center for all things project management, so getting comfortable here is vital. Once you've done that, look for a section titled For You Jira. This is your starting point to accessing the control settings you'll need. When you find it, click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. It's always a good idea to ensure your settings are optimized for how you and your team work. It sets the stage for any specific tasks you'll tackle later on. Now that you're in the settings, direct your focus to work items. You'll notice this option in the menu, and it's crucial for setting up and organizing your work type hierarchy. Click on work items, which will bring you to a new window. This is a central hub where you can see how your work is structured on a broader scale. It's a crucial area because having a bird's eye view helps you understand how each piece of your project fits into larger goals. Our next task is delving into the work type hierarchy, a pivotal component that keeps everything organized and aligns your team. Find the work type hierarchy option and click on it. This takes you to a section where predefined hierarchies are visible. This step is important because it enables you to visualize how different pieces of work interconnect. This visibility is crucial, enhancing both transparency and accountability in your projects, ensuring everyone knows how their efforts contribute to the overall goals. Now, let's focus on customization, which is key to making Jira work effectively for your needs. In the work type hierarchy area, you'll find an option to customize the hierarchy according to your specific requirements. Click on this option, and you'll get the flexibility to adjust how projects and tasks are organized. This alignment is essential for meeting your team's goals and catering to individual responsibilities. As you're making these customizations, a good tip is to consult with your team to ensure that everyone is aligned. By doing so, you're ensuring that the hierarchy doesn't only meet your individual needs, but also supports the overall workflow of your team. This collaborative approach makes execution smoother and helps you track deliverables more efficiently. By following these instructions, you should now have a better grasp of how to navigate and customize the work type hierarchy in Jira. It's a simple yet effective way to boost productivity and streamline project management